this partnership between Hale and Wuling? I mean, aside from the perks that you mentioned earlier, what are the other benefits that await the end user, which are the Filipino drivers?
Okay, thank you for your question. Meaning the partnership with Wuling and
Yeah,
Hale.
and
I'm glad to say that this is the most important time for a company like us, TNBS, and a company providing electric vehicles in our country. The purpose of which is to minimize carbon emission and at the same time to give our drivers a decent earnings. Comparatively speaking, the use of electric vehicle is much lower comparatively to the traditional conventional vehicles. We are just using 1/3 energy as to compared to 100% of the traditional vehicle. So by that, our drivers can earn more, and we are really, our purpose for this is to give our drivers the decent earning they deserve for a very, very long time. Thank you.
okay, sir, follow up lang. Is this program already started or mag-start pa lang?
Actually, it's ongoing already,
Oh.
but we're going to boost it as days go by. We're going to do it step by step. Okay.
So, kumusta naman yung response, I mean, ng mga drivers natin to this program?
Actually, the reaction of our drivers, they really love the program. Can you just imagine, by really driving our vehicles, after 7 years, by driving loyally with us, we are going to reward the vehicle to them. Unlike in other
Okay.
companies, they keep on driving,
Yeah.
but there's no such thing as a reward system, and there's nothing that they can wait after a certain period of time.
Okay.
In the partnership with us, Hale and Wuling, after 7 years, loyally driving our vehicles, they can get and then be awarded the vehicle.
May loyalty award.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much and more power.
Noli, to add on that, no, so since EVs, I've said this before, no, na compared to a gasoline car, the consumption and the expense, we talked to some of the drivers, malaki sa kanilang nakukuha na income na pupunta sa gasoline. But because this is a pure electric vehicle, it's 1 peso per kilometer. And so, talagang mas bababa yung kailangan nilang maabot. Kumbaga, everything else will be income na ng ating mga drivers. And hopefully, because of that, because they will have lower expense, then we can provide a lower transportation fee for the Philippines.
That's nice to hear. Thank you so much.
Just to add lang, no, dahil magkakaroon tayo ng mababang expense dito for cost ng mga driver natin, actually we'll be launching very soon yung Health Protect. So I think this is the first program that will give our drivers a health insurance, a hospitalization insurance, that is for free. So that's part of the program of Hale. Since mababa yung costing natin, then we can give more to the drivers and to the passengers.
Okay.
Follow-up lang po. So, paano po makaka-avail yung mga Filipinos natin, Filipino drivers, doon sa program po ng Hale and Wuling? Paano po nila ma-avail?
Thank you. You can avail it, you can go to our website, haleph.com, and then if you're a driver, you can go to the driver, you can click the driver if you wanna drive for your pay, or if you're a user, you can click the user side if you're a user. But this program, these are all for Filipinos, no? Like what you're asking, we're doing this because we are all 100% Filipino-owned company. We'd like to help the Filipinos as well to have their own. That's why we have this program. We call this program from driver to owner. No? Ito yung programa na makakatulong dahil like what Shapsi was saying a while ago, na if you drive other vehicles, you need at least 3,000 or 4,000 a day before you start. You pay them for 3,000 or 4,000 a day before you start earning. Sa Hale, ang fee namin is only 1,700 and after 1.7 per month, that includes everything. Your monthly amortization. Andun na, you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay anything. Andun na lahat. So it means pag pasok, if you start earning 1.8, that 100 is already yours. 3,000, if you reach 3,000 pesos, sa iba, kakayod ka pa because you have to earn after 3,000. This one, after you earn 3,000 pesos, you can go home and relax and enjoy your family already. Ito yung kagandahan sa programa po natin. Kaya nga ako nagpapasalamat sa ating partner, si Mr. Lloyd of Wuling, dahil dito sa collaboration na to, we could help a lot of Filipino, not only the Filipinos that we have here in the Philippines, but also the migrant workers outside the Philippines, matutulungan po natin. Sa papaano pong paraan, lalo na sa mga migrant workers, di ba nagpapadala sila ng pera dito? Instead of sending money, they can avail the program. They can avail the program, yung kinikita na nung, pwede niya ipadrive sa kapatid niya eh. Di ba? Pag pinadrive na yung kita, ibigay niya lang sa kapatid niya. After 7 years, kanila pa yung sasakyan. No? So, ang dami namin nakakausap na driver na talagang they're very happy. They're very happy and they're really waiting for this program. So, maraming nakaabang. Thank you.
Follow up lang po, I'm sorry. Yung health insurance po included na po ba doon sa program or still ongoing po?
We're still ongoing structuring right now. But definitely, if papasok siya, if you're a loyal driver, actually, yun ang magiging perks natin sa mga driver na who's driving loyal. Yung loyalty niya na kay Hale, wala sa ibang kaibigan. Yeah.
After tumatanggap din po pa kayo ng Federation of Organization ng mga driver, pwede pa akong makipag-collaborate sa inyo po?
Yeah, definitely. We love to, like yung mga cooperatives or yung mga drivers association, may mga ganun eh, may mga grupo sila. We welcome them as long as they're willing to transfer their, actually may mga partner tayo dito na kasama sa federation ng mga drivers, no? Especially sa mga van operators, sa mga ano natin, we welcome them.
My name is Will Bo. My question is for Ms. Shamsa Subsuti. Madam, since Wuling cars is an electric cars, we can expect po ba na mas wider yung places natin or location na merong available na charging station? Kasi most of my friends kasi always question nila po sa akin is, ayun mali ba, available ba any part of Metro Manila yung charging station?
Actually, we are already starting deploying our charging stations. Actually, here in GBF Tower, we have 10 charging stations on the second floor. We will check it out later. And we have partnered with Robinson's offices. So we are launching how many charging stations? The 200 plus buildings will be donating charging stations. And apart from that, Hale is also putting up hubs in malls here in Metro Manila. So sa terminal na yun, aside from yun ang waiting area ng ating mga drivers, it will also be a charging station for them. And I believe it's not just Wuling, no, but a lot of electric vehicles are ramping up their charging as well. And sabi ko nga din, apart from the charging stations that we have in the different malls or different buildings, no, what's good with Wuling is that if you have a home, if you're not living in a condo at this moment, no, you can charge in any 220 outlet. So it doesn't have to be a special outlet or it doesn't have to be installed na meron ka bang ano doon, no, na talagang for your car. Sa amin, in our house, we just use our normal outlets to charge our cars. Pero syempre, slow charging yun. So when we talk about fast charging, yung easy charging, yun yung ibang ano yun. Talagang, it's a separate line because it has a huge voltage. But if you are okay with slow charging, which we have done, we've been using our EV still for already 2 years, and we would charge at home overnight, and siguro 10%, 1 hour 10%. So if you want mga 8 hours to have 100% on your car. But if every day naman umuwi ka, and if you're just traveling within Metro Manila, like for us, we only have to charge maybe twice a week. That's how convenient the Wuling electric vehicles are. So if you have any outlet just outside your home, or meron din kaming extension cord that we provide, para kung medyo malayo, pwede pa rin maka-abot yung ating mga charging for our electric vehicles.
Follow-up question po. Sorry.
Yes, go.
So, dun po sa nasa target na 200 plus na charging station, is that for free po ba every charge ng mga drivers, or may specific amount po or fee for?
Yes, for the 200 buildings that we're donating the charging stations, for Wuling car owners, we will give them a card na may load. So, we're gonna like pinpoint how much it would be, but maybe it will give you a free charging for like parang ganito, ayan, Wuling EV Charge Pass.